Hey there, truck lovers. Welcome back to our channel. If you own a Ram 1500 and are looking to upgrade both style and functionality, you've landed in the right spot. Today, we're diving into the best running boards for your Ram 1500, from sleek designs to rugged durability. We've researched and tested top options to ensure you find the perfect fit for your beast, whether you're hitting the job site or taking it off-road. We'll help you enhance your ride with the ultimate running boards that boost accessibility and aesthetic appeal. So, buckle up and let's get started on this exciting journey to elevate your Ram experience. Number 5. OEDRO 6.5-inch running boards. The ultimate upgrade for your 2019 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 Crew Cab. These steel side steps not only enhance your truck's appearance, but also offer incredible utility. With a precise fit design specifically for full-size door models, they support a remarkable weight limit of 400 pounds. Thanks to their innovative bone of the sword design, the high and low contouring with hollow holes effectively prevents water and dust from accumulating, ensuring a cleaner and safer step every time. Crafted from premium alloy steel, these running boards feature a triple-layer black powder coating, making them wear-resistant, rust-resistant, and UV-resistant. Installation is a breeze, taking just 20 minutes with no cutting or drilling required, with a unique panel structure that aids fuel efficiency. The OEDRO 6.5-inch running boards are truly the best running boards for Ram 1500 owners looking for durability, style, and convenience. Upgrade your ride today and step up your game with OEDRO. Number 4. SMANOW drop-down running boards are the perfect upgrade for your 2009 to 2018 Ram 1500 or 2010 to 2024 Ram 2500/3500 Crew Cab. Designed for seamless compatibility. These 82-inch step bars offer a sleek and aggressive look while providing superior functionality. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel and finished with a textured black powder coating, they not only add style, but are built to withstand elements. With a remarkable weight limit of 450 pounds, these running boards feature a 3.5-inch drop step, ensuring easier access into your vehicle. The non-slip tread pads enhance safety and traction, making every step secure. Installation is a breeze, requiring no drilling or modifications. Everything you need is included, from mounting brackets to clear instructions. Perfectly suited for those searching for the best running boards for Ram 1500. The SMANOW drop-down running boards combine durability, functionality, and style, ensuring you make a worthy investment for your truck's performance. Upgrade your ride today. Number 3. COMNOVA 6-inch running boards are a perfect fit for your 2019 to 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 Crew Cab new body style. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these running boards not only look sleek with their shining finish, but also offer extreme durability. With a 6-inch wide step, you get secure footing, making entering and exiting your truck a breeze. The innovative adjustable slider design allows for customization, ensuring a perfect fit and enhanced stability. Plus, installation is a breeze. Simply bolt them on without any drilling required. Each board can support up to 500 pounds, providing great peace of mind. The anti-slip plastic steps are designed to resist corrosion and UV radiation, meaning they maintain their quality over time. If you're looking for the best running boards for Ram 1500, the COMNOVA offering is your top choice, combining style, strength, and ease of use. Don't forget to check out the installation videos for a seamless setup. Number 2. YITAMOTOR running boards and side steps are the ultimate solution for the Dodge Ram 1500. Offering the perfect blend of style and functionality. Designed specifically for the 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 Crew, 2019 to 2024 1500 Classic, and 2010 to 2024 2500/3500 models. These black powder-coated bars feature a unique two-step layout to accommodate your vehicle for all ages. Made from heavy-duty carbon steel, they can hold an impressive 550 pounds weight limit, providing strength and durability for everyday use. The non-slip design keeps the boards dry and clean, significantly reducing the risk of slipping, while the two-stage textured powder coating provides exceptional weather resistance to rain and snow. Experience unparalleled comfort and safety with YITAMOTOR, the best boards for Ram 1500. Upgrade your truck today and enjoy the ease of use and strong traction of these boards. Number 1. Tyger Auto brings you the ultimate in utility and style with the 3.5-inch rider running boards. Designed specifically for the 2019 to 2025 Ram 1500 Crew Cab. Note: not compatible with the 2019 to 2024 Classic body style. These running boards feature a distinctive oval tube design that provides a wide 3.5-inch non-slip step pad for increased stability. Crafted from durable carbon steel, they boast a seamless construction protected by a heavy textured powder finish, ensuring superior rust and corrosion protection while retaining that rugged off-road appearance. Installation is a breeze with everything you need included: driver and passenger running boards, all necessary hardware, and brackets for a straightforward bolt-on setup that can be completed in just 20 minutes. No drilling required. With a 5-year warranty against manufacturing defects, Tyger Auto guarantees quality you can trust. In conclusion, the best running boards for the Ram 1500 provide a perfect blend of style, durability, and functionality, enhancing both your truck's appearance and accessibility. Whether you prefer sleek designs or rugged options, there's something for every taste and need. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Share this video with fellow Ram enthusiasts to help them find their ideal running boards.